We don't see many in this colour. This is a beautiful car in a beautiful colour called the Byron Blue. Brand new model, 2023, 23 registration, aerodynamic SE, but it's the D300, which is a 3-litre diesel engine with 300 brake horsepower, literally light new with 166 miles on. With the full black styling pack, it's about to go live now, and being a 7-seater SUV, new model, it isn't going to hang around too long. It's physical, it's available. You've then got features like the LED style daytime running light, the LED headlights. This one also has the headlight washers built into the bumpers. The aerodynamic is the styling in the front bumpers there, as you can see, with the fins on the sides, the gloss black section and the splitter on the front. You've also got front rear parking sensors, 360 camera system, the black grille, and then this one being the aerodynamic SE has got the upgraded 21-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with the grey on the inserts. Another massive feature, just so we understand what the aerodynamic gives you, if you look at the side arches here, they're all colour coded as in gloss black. So if it's a non-aerodynamic, then that would be in a like sort of plastic finish. That same gloss black continues down the bottom section of the car. This then has the side steps, black mirror cap covers, and the contrasting black roof. Comfort access, so you can get in the car and get out the car and lock it without the keys physically in your hand, as long as in your pocket. You've got sun protection glass there. That beautiful perforated two-tone leather seats with electric seats and memory seats for driver's seat as well. The new larger infotainment system, which is touchscreen, heated seats. You've got the dual zone climate control, twin cup holders. This one has an extra, so they all come with the twin panoramic glass roof, but this one has a tilt and sliding back panoramic roof, which is nice and great feature to have. You've also got the Meridian sound system, lots of leather and great texture throughout the full vehicle. Top dash and bottom dash, which is very important because you always want to store things away. There's the 2 keys that comes with this car, because it's amazing how many cars do come with 1 key these days. Twin cup holders, you can slide that forward and you've got more cubbyhole space underneath. There's also a hidden compartment behind here. And remember, the 360 camera system is all on there in high definition, and I'll show you later on in the video. You've got more cubbyhole space under the armrest. The leather is in brand new condition because the car has literally done 166 miles. In the middle row, the seats are the same. You've got ISOFIX attachments, you've got full leather. That same ivory and black continues. USBs and USCs all the way around the vehicle. Fully fitted mats, again, forwards and backwards. And then as you come to the back of the car, you'll see the LED rear lighting system, automatic tailgate. You've also got the drop down back as well, so you can sit on that. And to drop that down, you just press that button here. The third row seats are very, very big. They're no longer just an emergency seat. So literally, you press that there and they go down. So if you're not going to use all 7 seats, you can give yourself a massive boot. So you can have 6 seats up and then put your pushchairs there, golf gear, whatever it might be. But if you just look in here, you'll see that they are huge, them seats, with enough leg space for an adult to sit in there very, very comfortably. Going back to the colour, that Byron Blue is a stunning colour. It's a metallic paint, and with it being a little bit more individual, there's not many out there in this colour. For me, that stands out. The combination of that beautiful interior colour, that works very well. You've then got, obviously, hazard warning on there. Electric windows and mirrors. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and the limiter just there. Voice control and stereo controls, paddle shift. Put it into reverse, and this is your 360 camera system kicking into place. The different driving modes are here, or you can push it back in for automatic mode. But comfort, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, etc. For me, if you're in the market for a 4-wheel drive and you want 7-seater and you want something that's pretty new, under manufacturer's warranty, so you have the full peace of mind, then this is it. It's about to go live now. My name's Joe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.